up everyone, Daryl Arante is here, and for today's video, I am going to showcase you different outfits from TEMU. TEMU is an e-commerce company that connects consumers with merchandise partners, manufacturers, and brands to offer a wide selection of products at affordable prices. They do offer free shipping on items shipped from TEMU and free returns for up to 90 days. I'm pretty sure you heard about this company before, so I'm not gonna go deeper into what they offer. Instead, I am going to focus only on men's clothing, in which I spent under $200 for this shopping. If you've been watching my channel, you already know that I will honestly talk about if I like the items or not, and we'll talk about its own quality, and at the end, I will mention my top 3 items. By the way, I will have all the links down below with my discount code. Still sound interesting? Let's get it started. First outfit, we have this slam dunk t-shirt for $6, which is one of my favorite sports anime of all time, paired with this relaxed drawstring graphic shorts for $6. And since I am doing like a casual basketball outfit, I decided to buy the steel basketball necklace for about $3. Total outfit price is $15. Fit-wise, works perfectly for me. I love the overall silhouette. Quality of the t-shirt is worth getting it for $6. The shorts quality is okay. I feel like the print will fall off after a wash. I love the necklace, and I can't really tell if the quality is bad or not. Overall, I think I did a decent job putting this outfit together, and I think this overall fit is worth under $15. Next outfit, we have this block pattern shorts in black for $12, and this cute hoodie in black for only $12 too. Another casual outfit that I put together, and I think this looks pretty cool and cozy. I specifically picked this hoodie design because I love bubble tea, but quality of the hoodie is not that great, to be honest. It feels so cheap. Like I would probably only pay $5 or less for this. However, the shorts, I love the feeling of it. I love the pattern, and I think it's pretty trendy. For $12, I think it's worth it. This whole outfit is overall cool, but I think only the shorts are worth it, in my opinion. Third outfit, we have this oversized 2-piece set in khaki color for $15, and I decided to get this feather necklace to go along with it for only $5, which total outfit cost is $20. I'm telling you right now, this 2-piece set is freaking amazing. I say this because the quality of this set is great for the price I paid. I think this set should cost about $30 to be fair. My favorite outfit so far due to its quality, fit is great. It definitely has that relaxed, oversized feel. I mean, the necklace is a plus, but so far, this set is awesome. I love the look, and I love the price. I'm already thinking about getting another color. Okay, let's move on to the next outfit. We have this corduroy short sleeves for $11, and I paired it with supposed to be cropped polyester casual dress pants in black for $9. Okay, both of the pictures online are great, but when I try them on, they are completely garbage. The pants are so plasticky, like I feel like if I squat with this, I would rip it off right away. The top feels so cheap, the pocket is not even a real pocket, and it doesn't look cool at all. I mean, in comparison online. In short, this outfit is a total waste, and definitely would not pay $20 for this. All right, we are halfway there, and I think I got 3 more outfits to show you guys. Anyways, let's move on to the next outfit. We have striped pattern shorts for $5, paired with another oversized tee for $20, and finish the look with a wooden necklace set for $3 and wooden polarized sunglasses for $5. Total outfit cost is about $32, the most expensive look so far. The short quality is okay. I think $5 is fair. The oversized tee though, things should only cost me $10. I mean, the other oversized tee comes in a set and it only cost me about $15. Anyways, the fit and quality is almost identical with other oversized tee. I like the color of this tee, in which I got it in matcha color. What I love the most is the accessories. Definitely the necklace and the sunglasses are the main show of this fit. Overall, fit is fine. Highly recommend the accessories, but this total outfit is not worth $32. Moving on to the next outfit, we have another set. Drawstring shorts in blue and a printed shirt for total cost of only $12. I decided to add a ring that costs about $5 and a necklace for only $2. Okay, this set does look cool, okay? I really like the color contrast and the print. However, the quality is garbage. Another so-called plasticky items, and a kid could easily rip this off. Yeah, I definitely would not pay $12 for this. On the other hand, the necklace and the ring are truly nice, and I think they are worth getting. Overall, if you don't care about the quality and want a nice piece or set, then get this. But if you want my recommendation, then avoid this. And as for my last set, we have this stand color long sleeve shirt, or what I call Mandarin color, for $11, and I paired it with solid suit pants in dark gray for $17 with a wooden necklace. So this is like a semi-formal outfit that I could share. It cost me about $28 total. Okay, fit-wise, I think it's fine. I just have to adjust a little more to make it look cooler. The top has a very relaxed fit or loose fitting. Quality-wise, it's okay. I think I would pay less for this. The pants though, fit and the quality are trash. Totally not worth getting it for $17, even like $5. Everything with these pants are made with very cheap materials. Like the pockets are made with plastic, so I would totally avoid this. In short, this total outfit is not worth $28 in my opinion. So yeah, that's my $200 shopping spree from Temu. I forgot to mention that I also bought a set for my fiance, which cost me about only $10. She tried it on and she said it's decent and it looks cool. Anyways, I'm pretty sure you heard mixed reviews about this Temu. There's some good stuff and there's some totally garbage, aka avoid stuff. And I definitely agree based on this video. There are some men's clothing that are worth it, and there are some that I honestly would like you to avoid. But that's probably the hardest part about buying from this platform, in which I'm gonna talk about that in my next video. Anyways, let's talk about my top 3 worth items that you should get from this haul. Number 3 on my list are the accessories. Listen, I bet you won't tell the differences between cheap versus expensive accessories from afar. And this is why I recommend getting accessories from Temu, since they actually look cool and you could get it for dirt cheap. Number 2, I would say the pattern short is worth getting it. Love the look, love the pattern, and it's trendy, and for the price I paid, it's very worth it. And as for my number 1 recommendation, is the oversized 2-piece set. The quality, the look, and the fit are all worth only $15. I cannot recommend this enough. Again, I am actually getting the dark brown one, and I do wish this manufacturer would offer more colors. Well, that's my Temu haul / product review. Hope this helps you buying decision making for this platform. Let me know in the comment section below which outfit is your favorite. Comment below and let me know. And as always, stay safe, stay stylish. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.